Introducing the Novio 3D Model 101 3D printer. It is the latest Novio 3D printer model, which is very easy to assemble with the simplest design that will suit your budget without sacrificing the best quality high-definition 3D printing. This kind of 3D printer has only one nozzle extruder for fabricating single-colored 3D objects. In this video, we will walk you through unpacking and setting up your 101 model of the Novio 3D printer. Use extra care as you unpack the printer from the box. Begin by placing the box on a sturdy surface. Open the box and take out all the parts and accessories. Read the Quick Start Guide. Use this guide, along with this video, to assist you through assembling the printer. Get the base assembly and attach the Z assembly to it. Get the low-profile screws. Secure the rails by tightening the upper screws in the 3mm stand plate using the M5x15 screw. Next, tilt your 101 3D printer and screw the remaining low-profile M5x30 as shown. Get the PLA holder and attach it to the back of the Z assembly. Then, get the Diamond XDR extruder. Lift the cam lock levers and attach the extruder. Push the cam lock down to secure the extruder. Next, get the print material of your choice and place it to the PLA holder. Pull out the strand of filament and slide it through the bracket and insert it in the extruder. Then, attach the DB connector at the back of the PCB. Get the power supply and plug it at the back of the PCB. Next, plug the USB cable to the PCB and to the computer. Get the flash drive that is included in the package and install the Novio 3D Creator software to your computer. Now your Novio 3D Model 101 3D printer is now completely set up. You can now enjoy 3D printing single-colored 3D models and start your own mini desktop factory. Create your own 3D printed objects with the best quality high-definition 3D printing using Novio 3D Model 101 3D printers.